So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the process of us selling our home. Yep, we're moving. Some of the steps before actually putting the house on the market, we gotta clean up because, over the past few years, we've, inherited a lot of stuff, collected a lot of stuff, bought a lot of stuff, so we had to declutter, take some stuff out, clean out, spring clean, whatever you want to call it. We had to go to the dumpster. And so, yeah. What's up, everybody? So, waking up early today to dump some trash at the local dump area, and man, this place is nuts. Take a look for yourself. Asher? Say hello, Asher. Asher! Hi! He's tired. It's hot. It's humid here in Sacramento right now. And we got the kids playing on the playground. Walking the dog. It is hot. Gutata. I'm over here at Goodwill. This is not sponsored by Goodwill or anybody from Goodwill, but we're cleaning out the house, and so we got a lot of goods that we're gonna be donating, so yeah, check it out. So, first step, what we did was we did an open house. And believe it or not, during the open house, we had like over 40 guests that came into the open house. So it was a pretty good turnout. So you better believe we had multiple offers that came into the home. And so, with all the multiple offers received from the house, we went into contract pretty quick, like under 7 days. Yes, 7 days. I would do 7, but I only have 5 fingers. And so after you accept an offer on your home, you know, the next step normally is to prepare the home for inspections, because the new owner now is going to be hiring an inspector to inspect the home. And so in the process, you know, while we're waiting, you know, because we do need another home to move into, or else we'll be living under the bridge. And so, or go homeless. And so in the process, we were actually house hunting for the new home in the process. Remember, the next step, if you need to find another home, look for the home after your home has gone pending, because it makes your offer that much stronger. Dante, what are you doing?
Keep playing the ball.
Are you off school now, Dante? Yeah? What are you doing with me today?
Stay with you because no one at home.
And what are we doing today?
We're gonna go to Love Sacramento.
We're gonna go where?
We're gonna go Love Sacramento.
Yes, we are. Awesome. High five. If you guys can see right here, I am wearing a blue shirt that says Love Sacramento. I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys there. This week is gonna be awesome. I'm excited. Dante's excited. Dante, are you excited?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
He's excited. You guys just don't know it yet. But I will see you guys out there. Finishing up here at Outgrow Food Bank, sorting out the clothes, sorting out all the food. We just got done dumping some of the trash, and it's almost that time. Today we're at the Sacramento Food Bank, sorting clothes. What are you guys doing right now?
I'm so tall.
Finding the purse? So we're taking all these out to look for a purse.
And it isn't with it.
Come on, take all the clothes out since it's getting low. Sacramento Food Bank is one of the best organizations here in Sacramento. At this location, people actually walk into the store, and it looks like a thrift store, and they could get anything they want, all for free. And so, lastly, you know, after we clean out the house, declutter the house, you know, donated some stuff to Goodwill, you know, and, you know, served a few other Love Sacramento events this week, you know, we are now pretty much done, you know. Now we just gotta wait for the process to go through, and once we get the second home, well, first, before we could get the second home, our house here has to actually sell first, because the proceeds from the house is going to be going towards the new house that we're moving into, if that makes sense. Okay, and so after we do that, then we start the moving process, and that's pretty much it, you know. So that's pretty much it for this vlog, you guys. Thank you guys for sticking all the way until the end. I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember that every Friday I'll be uploading a video onto my YouTube channel. And so if you haven't already, remember to subscribe and hit that bell button so that way you don't miss any notifications for any upcoming videos. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.